Hi, this is Claire from AHA. I really want to show you the new AI prompt library that we have just built, especially for product teams. Now, as a super quick recap, the AI assistant in AHA software is incredibly powerful. It can handle requests and instructions and agents all in the context of your product development work. And now you have this library for inspiration to bring AI into your work as you go from product discovery to delivery. Now, I'm actually in the middle of reviewing the progress of our strategic initiatives, and here is a prompt that looks like it can help me with that. It will analyze all of the related work and give me a quick report on progress, risks, and next steps. It sounds awesome, so let's try it out. And immediately the AI assistant gets to work. You can see it taking a look at the linked epics and features, like I say, to put that report together for me. And it's doing it in just seconds, which is literally saving me a ton of time. So go ahead, try out the new AI library today and see how it can help you accelerate your work.